If you want to learn how to do a gel manicure at home, keep watching. I'm going to give you a tutorial. I've been doing my nails for over a year now. They're still super strong, sturdy, not flimsy, and they last me over a month. So the very first step is filing your nails. I like them almond shaped, as you can see. My cuticles are also a mess. You kind of get the hang of it the more you do it. But yeah. Then I go in with this tool. I'm going to push my cuticles back like so. Just like that. You just push them back. They should look a little bit like this. And then I go in with my cuticle remover. I add a little bit to each cuticle, just like so. And then I massage it in. Like that. Then I just soak them in this little bowl filled with some warm water and a little bit of soap for about 2 minutes. Now I'm ready to cut my cuticles. You have to be very careful with this. I don't have too much right now, but what this is gonna do is just help your nails last longer. Now I'm gonna use this tool. I use this side to push back my cuticle again. And then this side of the tool to remove any leftover gunk, any leftover cuticle. That sounds gross. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands with this brush. You just scrub some soap into your nails, wash it off. Now that I washed my hands, they're prepped and ready. I go in with the dehydrator and a primer. This is what's gonna help your nails last long. So I'm first gonna go in with the dehydrator. I almost completely forgot to put these gloves on. These help protect your skin from the LED light. Next is the primer. Now this next step is up to you. I just prefer to use a peel-off base gel. It's a lot easier to just remove at the end. It doesn't have to be the thickest coat either. Just a few swipes and you're all good. Just like that. Now I'm just gonna put it in my LED light. I wait 90 seconds. Then I go in with my base coat. This is kind of like a rubber gel, builder gel. Now I'm just applying it like so. Now I'm just gonna put them in my lamp again for 90 seconds. This is the shade I'm going to be using on my nails today. It's Walnut Brown by D&D. It's the perfect shade of brown. I religiously use this brand. It's so good. I start at the tip and then I start bringing it down. I don't want to use too much on the first coat, but yeah, just be as careful as you can. Don't get it on your skin. And then where the cuticle is, I'm very careful here. Boom. Again, I start at the top and then I start bringing my way down. Be very careful. Like, there we go. Now I'm going to put them again in the lamp for 90 seconds. I'm going to do my second coat off camera just so I can concentrate. Next and final step is the top coat. A little bit goes a long way with this top coat, by the way. But yeah. Last but not least, the lamp. This is also optional, but I just like to spray some rubbing alcohol to set it all in. And this is how they came out. They last me about a month. And yeah, they're very strong too. I've been doing them like this for a year. No damage. But yeah, that's how I do my manicure.